We're at the Seven Dwarfs minecart, and we've waited in line for almost an hour.
Here we go.
It's a 50-foot drop. This is it, guys. On these black mountain hills.
This is it. Headed to the top.
I got a drink at Star Wars Land, and there's circles. I drink all of it and I fill it back up with water, and I'm gonna try and land it and a cat. Which I'm not the best at bottle flipping because I've only made really one video on my channel with bottle flipping.
Hey.
And now the cat.
Is it even possible?
I don't know.
Have you sat it down?
I bet nobody on YouTube has ever done this. We're going over here to the sun.
The aloha sphere at the colony village, or he can fly through the ground.
I'm not this bad, alright? It's circle. I'm not this bad with normal.
So if you want to join us for some musicals,
What?
oh! Oh, it's okay.
You made this too much water. No. That's a good idea. Yeah, this is too much water. This is perfect. We're inside Cinderella's castle at the Cinderella's royal table. So apparently Cinderella is coming again. So we're gonna get it this time on video. Making a cupcake.
cheesecake. And chocolate mousse.
They also gave me a spare, and I'm gonna decorate this one with y'all. I didn't put this frosting on, it came like this. I feel like I'm on a baking show showing you how to cook. We're gonna get that blue icing and we're gonna spread it around. Look at that. It's literally green. A green, mommy, green icing.
Oh, how'd you do that?
I mixed the blue with the red. I mean the blue with the yellow. What present to you is a cupcake. First, I'm gonna do the one that they gave me.
I don't like when they charge
Is this
that.
red velvet?
I don't like when they
I
don't
think
do
this is actually red velvet cupcake instead of blue. But I can't even tell. I have so many colors on this stuff.
It is red velvet.
It is?
Yeah.
Who dares me to eat it in one bite?
Me.
Leave a like if you want. Subscribe if you dare me to eat it all, and like if you don't.
Oh my. So I can't eat no more. You wanna try that?
Oh, I can't eat no more. That's what Clint said. Oh, I can't eat no
The
more.
meal itself, is it?
Thanks for subscribing, and even if you liked, just go ahead and subscribe. Guys, I'm gonna be really calm. I'm not gonna eat this in one bite. I'm gonna be really calm. I'm just gonna eat a couple bites for a second. It's not like I'm gonna inhale the whole thing.
Tell them to buy.
Bye, guys. I'll see you on the next ride that we're